Good evening, everybody. So, uh,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. So actually we were coming to almost at the end of the field and potential things. So field we have done a lot, but I think we need to do some questions on potentials also to understand electric potential also. And I started already in the previous class, if you remember, doing a question for a plane sheet and what was the potential difference, correct? From, if you remember, in the previous class, I took a plane sheet and then I calculated the potential difference between the 2 points which were d distance placed, right? So electric potential, we should do more questions and we should understand it in a better way by doing the questions. So we have what we have learned till now, that electric field, electric potential, phi or v, whatever you want to write, and the charge density, all these things are related, right? So you can write it using Coulomb's law, you can write it using Gauss law. Then E and phi are related in electrostat, right? Phi and E are related, and E and rho are related, and rho and phi are related. So everything is related. So दिमाग में थोड़ा सा you have to keep a broader picture in mind so that कि फॉर्मूले का बर्डन ना आए आपके दिमाग पे, ठीक है? Like Coulomb's law के लिए this much is enough to keep in our mind. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq over r square. This much is enough. Dq can be written further in lambda, rho, and sigma. That we know, that we don't have to keep it in our mind. And when we write potential, it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq by r, right? This much is enough to keep it in mind. Then if I want to calculate field from potential, it will be minus del phi, right? And these will be obviously vector quantities, okay? And this is in electrostat only. And this rho will come whenever, suppose dq is there. So obviously it will become rho d tau whenever it is required. We have done many questions like that. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all these things we already know. So depending on that, we have to judge कि भाई Coulomb's law लगाना है या Gauss law लगाना है. ठीक है, depending on the symmetry and amount of mathematics that we have to use. So now potential and field are also related. Yes, it will be minus some initial point to final point E dot dr, right? So these things, these are the things till now. What differential form also I have told, that how electric field and charge density is related directly, right? So all these things is in our mind. No baggage of formula. Simple जैसा आएगा उसको हम वैसे treat कर लेंगे. Okay. So let us do some problems on potential also to make ourselves more comfortable. And systems now you understand, because we have done lot of system. ये charge है, ये cylinder है, ये sphere है, ये shell है. So all that systems you already know. ये cone है. So let us do. Uh, there is a very simple question, that there is a spherical shell, right? And in its spherical shell, we have to calculate the potential, right? We are coming from infinity and at this point P, and then also you are coming from this infinity to a point inside. So we have to calculate the potentials at this point P and this point, let me call it as P dash, right? So this is infinity and we will be taking v at infinity is equal to 0 because we can take it for such a system, right? V infinity can be 0. The potential at infinity will be 0. जैसे जैसे दूर जाओगे पोटेंशियल कम होता जाएगा, एंड पोटेंशियल को हमेशा वर्क डन के फॉर्म में सोचना है, वर्क डन फॉर अ यूनिट चार्ज. So if I am coming from infinity to this much, how much work I will do? If I am coming from infinity to this point, how much work I will do? So let us calculate it. So what is for r greater than r? That means we are outside. What is electric field there at this point? It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. You remember this? This is the electric field. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the electric field when you are here. So let us calculate potential. V is equal to minus infinity to, so suppose this point is infinity, so you are coming from infinity to this point. This point is r. So infinity to some r. Okay. These are the position vectors, remember, so they are seen from here always. This is infinity and this is r. So infinity to r and E dot dr. So it will be just 1 by r square dr, because the direction of dr and r cap will be same. And you will get a constant here, q over 4 pi epsilon naught and this much. So you know this potential, how much it is going to come, right? कितना आ जाएगा? It will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This will be minus 1 by r.
Q by R.
So it will become q by r, well known potential, right? And ये तब हो पा रहा है जब v infinity क्या हो गया? 0 हो गया. Then only it is possible to write a potential at point P. Is this okay? Now let us write the potential at P dash, and here you have very important thing to understand. You are coming from infinity, the field is same. I mean, profile of the field is same up to this point. And then once you enter into this, the field is 0. You know, na? The field in the shell is 0. I will be using the previous knowledge. Abhi hame previous knowledge ka use karna padega because field I have already told you. So now what will happen? जब तुम infinity से आओगे, so infinity से this distance is how much? The position vector up to this. Tell me.
Up to R.
Up to R,
Capital R.
and then up to R to some point inside. Yes.
P dash.
Up to P dash, but there will be some distance, na? That will be some distance. So P dash का position vector क्या है? R. Right?
Yes, sir.
भाई जैसे बाहर वाले का, अब now the second case is when R is inside R, right? So this will be R. So you have to see now the integral में क्या होता है? This is actually matter of mathematics, that once you are writing E dot ER, so the profile is changing. V is equal to, now I'm calculating VP dash, right? So VP dash, actually VP dash minus V infinity calculate कर रहा हूँ. This is always potential difference, but this is 0, that's why it is only VP dash. So VP dash will be minus, देखो ध्यान से, integral, tell me, infinity to R, yes, K
Yes, sir.
Q
R2
by R square dr, correct? And plus R to R 0 dr. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this VP dash is equal to, now you will find this will become 1 minus R. It will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. अब ये बड़ी मजेदार बात है. कि once you came inside, the potential is not function of small r, which is the changing distance. It has become a constant. Yes or no? So potential has become constant. Inside, field is 0, but the potential is constant. इससे एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात पता चलती है. कोई बता सकता है क्या? Anybody? Yes?
Inside sphere is potential is
Inside sphere is potential constant. वही तो मैंने बता ही दिया.
And
कोई
it
वर्क
is same
नहीं
as-
करना पड़ेगा स्फीयर
हाँ.
के अंदर चार्जेस को मूव करने के लिए.
Sorry?
रेफरेंस पॉइंट मैटर नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे.
रेफरेंस पॉइंट मैटर तो कर ही रहा है. रेफरेंस पॉइंट तो मैटर ही कर रहा है भाई. वी इंफिनिटी एक्चुअली ये क्या निकाला है तुमने निकाला है वीपी डैश माइनस वी इंफिनिटी, राइट? बट बिकॉज वी इंफिनिटी इज 0, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वीपी डैश. और कोई एनीबडी प्लीज फील फ्री टू कम.
जो हम ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट ले रहे थे वो तो कहीं भी हो सकता है सर.
अंदर कहीं भी हो सकता है, ये तो कहीं भी आ सकता है.
वो मैटर नहीं करेगा सर.
सर स्फीयर के अंदर कोई वर्क डन नहीं होगा.
बिल्कुल, वो भी बात मान ली आपकी. जब पोटेंशियल ही सेम है तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस 0 है, तो वर्क डन 0 है.
यस वर्क डन 0 है.
एक और बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, फील्ड ऐसी क्वांटिटी है जो कि तुमने गॉसियन सरफेस बनाया तो उसको बाहर की दुनिया से मतलब नहीं है. दैट मींस आउटसाइड इंफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट फ्लोइंग इनसाइड. बट पोटेंशियल इज अ क्वांटिटी जिसका लेना देना बाहर की दुनिया से भी है. सो आउटसाइड इंफॉर्मेशन इज कंटेन्ड इन द पोटेंशियल. दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस. ये बात समझ आई?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes sir.
because this potential, whatever is inside field is 0, but it is whatever was the outside thing, it is taking information. So the outside information is saved in the potential, but it is not saved in the electric field. So this is one of the major things जो आप ध्यान दोगे. Okay, so ये बताओ यहां पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होगा या यहां पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होगा? Which point potential will be more, P or P dash?
The P dash.
P dash.
VP dash will be greater than VP. इसको इस तरह से सोचना हमेशा. This is also one unit work done ना, work done for a unit charge. So obviously P तक आने में ज्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा या P dash तक आने में?
P dash.
P dash तक. तो इस तरीके से सोचोगे तो चीजें बहुत आसान हो जाएंगी. So this question is okay? समझ में आ गया भाई?
Yes sir.
Okay. So बिल्कुल फंडामेंटल तरीके से चलो and don't keep anything in mind. बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से करो, because एग्जाम में यही डिफरेंस हो जाता है कि you don't have so much things in your mind. You have only few formulas, fundamentals. So can you get it from there? That is most important. Now I want another thing also. I want that this time I have a uniformly charged solid sphere, right? अब देखो अपने आप सोचना है. We have uniformly charged solid sphere, and again I am coming from infinity. So the reference point is at infinity. So I am coming from here to this point, first of all, right? And I want to, this is rho, this is the center, and this is the capital R, which is the radius of the sphere, right? I want to know the potential difference between VP and V infinity. So VP minus V infinity will be VP. इससे agree करते हो भाई? You agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Because V infinity will be 0 in this case. Yes or no? So if you see VP and this is the R distance. So what will be this? बताओ भाई, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Arey bhai, at this point, what will be the field? It is KQ by R square. You have seen for solid sphere. I have done using Gauss theorem. You remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if you solve it, the same thing will come. जो अभी पिछले shell वाले question में किया, nothing will change. But if I enter here and this becomes P dash and now this is R. Now again same thing will happen. I will write V is equal to minus integral. Please see, infinity to capital R. Hello. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square dr. Correct? And minus R to R. R to R. And what is field inside? Rho R by 3 epsilon naught and dr. This is same. This will become minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. And this will become plus. Bolo bhai. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this will become minus rho by 3 epsilon naught. R will become R square. So it will become upper limit minus lower limit. So this is the potential. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what
Upon
will,
two.
sorry? R square by 2. R square by 2. So मैंने 2 नहीं लिखा ना? It should be 2 also. Integration R will be R square by 2. So this is the potential at, बताओ? This is at P dash. This is potential at P dash. Right? So if you come at center, what will be the potential? Put R is equal to 0.
So वो 3 epsilon naught.
Sorry.
सर वो
1 by
term समझ में नहीं है.
क्या?
सर ये 3 epsilon naught वाली term समझ में नहीं है.
ये term.
Yes sir.
तो तुम्हें वो क्वेश्चन याद नहीं है जो मैंने सॉलिड स्फीयर लिया जिसकी डेंसिटी रो है, तो व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड? रो आर बाई 3 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. अब तो मैं यूज करूंगा ना.
यस सर.
बोलो भाई.
यस सर.
नहीं, जिन्होंने पूछा है उनको बताने दो.
Yes sir.
Do you remember that electric field inside the solid sphere is rho r by 3 epsilon naught?
Yes sir.
No. Then it is a homework for you. Use Gauss theorem to calculate the field. I have done it. See your notes. Okay?
Yes sir.
So अभी तो use करना पड़ेगा ना. तो आपने रिवाइज नहीं किया. आपको ये नहीं पता कि सॉलिड स्फीयर की वजह से अंदर फील्ड कैसे निकालेंगे. ये मैंने कराया है कि ये याद है या नहीं याद है? डू यू रिमेम्बर?
No sir.
नो. मतलब कि यहाँ पे एक गॉसियन सरफेस बनाया, इसके अंदर चार्ज कंटेंट निकाला. एक बार अपने नोट्स तो देखना आप. ओके?
जी सर.
हाँ, ये तो बहुत ही बेसिक वाली चीजें तो हमेशा एक बार दोबारा से रिवाइज किया करो. सो व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल एट ओरिजिन? बताओ भाई. इट विल बिकम 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q by R minus this will become 0.
Yes,
So
sir.
plus rho
Square by 6 square.
R square by 6 epsilon naught.
6 epsilon naught.
Right? So this will be the potential at the center. So let us plot the potential. This is center. You will have maximum potential, right? Because R is 0. And once you start coming out, the potential will start falling. And finally, it will fall like 1 by R. And at R, it will have some value. that I have calculated. What is that value? At R, this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is at
Q by
R,
4
na?
pi epsilon. Yes, sir.
So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So this is the potential. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. And what is this value? This much, VO, because this is origin, na? This is R, this is VO, and how it is falling outside this? 1 by R. After this, after R, it is falling like 1 by R. Please see this, the beautiful graph of solid sphere potential. So at center, potential is highest. Because what is potential? Coulomb's law se socho. dq by R. So all charges are giving the contribution to the center. The potential is highest. But once this point starts going away from the charges because of the Coulomb's law, the potential starts decreasing. And at infinity, it will become 0. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? देखो एकदम बेसिक से समझ आ रहा है या नहीं? बेसिक फॉर्मूले से.
Yes, sir.
जो एग्जाम में ईएमटी का लेवल है वो ज्यादा नहीं है, वो सिर्फ लॉजिकल है. तो अगर कोई भी लॉजिक में कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. इज दिस ओके? सो
Yes, sir.
नाउ यू कैन फील फ्री कि कुछ भी पूछेगा. वी नो द सिस्टम, वी कैन मैनेज. वी विल अप्लाई द बेसिक फॉर्मूला, वी विल इंटीग्रेट, वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट. इस तरीके का कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप करना होगा. ओके, so you will post the homework solid sphere inside outside. What is your name?
Varun Tiwari.
Varun. You will post on the group, okay? Solid sphere inside and outside. ठीक है वरुण?
जी सर.
Inside आएगी rho r by 3 epsilon naught, outside आएगी 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Because outside it will just behave like a point charge placed at the center. मैंने बताया भी था. Okay, no problem. Now next problem is very, very interesting. And I want to just do it for the sake of, the mathematical things. Otherwise, I will do it in 2 steps. But I want to show you that complexity. And again, I give the same example. It will be like running before cricket match, which actually will not help, but it will help in other ways. Okay. What is my next problem? It is that we have infinite wire. Please see it carefully. And it is holding lambda charge density. And I want to calculate the potential at this point at a distance s and a point s naught. So let me take this as P dash. So I want this. First of all, everybody will understand the question. Vp minus V dash is equal to question mark. पहले कोई बताए कि ये क्वांटिटी पॉजिटिव होगी या नेगेटिव होगी? Tell me.
The positive.
भाई इंफिनिटी से चल के आओगे तो यहाँ पहुंचने में ज्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा या यहाँ पहुंचने में?
V.
Sir, P.
ऑब्वियसली पी पे ना.
Yes, sir.
सो इसमें हेजिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. इसी से बहुत सारे एक आधा ऑप्शन तो ऐसे ही निकल जाता है इतनी समझ डेवलप करने पे. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा ये बताओ, माय क्वेश्चन इज, कैन आई कैलकुलेट वीपी?
No, sir, reference point था ही नहीं सर.
नहीं रेफरेंस पॉइंट, अच्छा ये बताओ, दिस इज चार्ज Q, दिस इज P, कैन आई कैलकुलेट VP?
Yes, sir.
नहीं नहीं ये मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ।
Rawat.
रावत साहब,
यस सर।
कैन आई कैलकुलेट VP?
सर अगर रेफरेंस पॉइंट सर यहाँ पे तो कर सकते हैं क्योंकि रेफरेंस पॉइंट 0 हो जाएगा सर पोटेंशियल
VP minus V
इनफाइनाइट पे तो।
infinity we will calculate, and V infinity will become 0, so VP we can calculate. Yes,
यस सर।
so give me
बट
logic.
यहाँ पे सर 1/r है ना सर लैम्डा के लिए तो
हम्म, थोड़ा अच्छे लॉजिक
वहाँ
लगाया
1/r
करो,
स्क्वायर था।
लॉजिक बढ़िया लगाओ। यहाँ पे बताओ क्या होगा, what will be for this, what will happen if I go to infinity, will the potential will become 0? For this case V infinity क्या होगा, it will be 0? No,
नो सर।
because this is infinite wire, right? So even if you go further and further, it will be contributing to that point because this itself is infinity. तो प्रिंसिपल में हमेशा सोचो ये P पॉइंट है, so what will be the potential? dq by r, dq by r, dq by r, dq by r. But if it is infinite, so you will write many dq by r. So it will not become 0 at infinity. पहले तो ये बात बताओ क्लियर है कि नहीं? If this thing is clear to everybody.
यस
Yes?
सर।
Okay. Now that's why what we can only do is we can calculate Vs minus Vs naught. I mean Vp minus Vp dash. This we can calculate. We can't calculate Vp or we can't calculate Vp dash. Is this okay?
यस सर।
Ab now I want to take a route जो कि जरूरी नहीं है आपको लेना, मैं भी करूंगा तो बहुत ही आसान तरीके से कर दूंगा, बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस रूट just to explain you. Okay, now this is infinite thing, and what I will do is at this point O I will take a point P. ध्यान से देखना, I will take a small charge, suppose this length is dx, so a small charge dq, right? dl ले लेता हूं, suppose this is dl, and this distance let me take as x, right? And इसी continuation में I should take it dx, right? कुछ भी ले सकते हो, dx is the length, so what will be the charge on this small part? dq will be equal to lambda dx, right? Is this okay? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
the potential because of this? What is the potential because of this? इस बताओ डायरेक्शन किधर होगी पुनीत?
सर पोटेंशियल में डायरेक्शन नहीं लेते ना।
पोटेंशियल डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की होगी।
नो स्केलर फील्ड।
Okay, ठीक है भाई. So what will be the small potential because of this? Coulomb's law. dV is equal to
यस सर।
K dq by this distance is r by r. यही तो आराम
Yes,
है
sir.
पोटेंशियल में.
Yes,
We
sir.
don't have to care about the direction. So this is the potential, and you can write it as K lambda dx by r, right? Yes or no?
यस सर।
Now I have to write this angle. Suppose I take this angle as theta. Please see this. Suppose I take this angle as theta. So what will happen if you will start, ध्यान से देखना calculus कैसे enter करता है, please everybody. If you start taking these small charges and start adding the potential, can you see that this angle theta is changing?
Yes, sir.
Change in x is related to change in theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
what
sir.
will be the value of r? R square will be equal to x square plus s square. Yes. So the potential, small potential, will become k lambda by x square plus s square into dx. Now I want to change this dx into x, so that ये जो theta है ना, ये मैं थोड़ा integrate कर पाऊं. I want to integrate it, right? So what I will have to do?
Square root of x square
So
plus s
I
square.
want relation between x, theta, and this is a constant because this is the distance at which you are calculating the potential. So finally, हमारे expression में क्या क्या आना चाहिए? S आना चाहिए, right? So right, tan theta क्या हो जाएगा? What will be tan theta? Perpendicular
X by S.
x by s,
Yes.
right? So what will be the value of dx? S sec square theta d theta, right?
Yes, sir.
एक बार चेक करते रहना भाई साथ साथ. Is this okay?
Yes.
So what will this small potential become? K lambda dx will become s sec square theta d theta over, ये आप लोगों ने किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, ये रूट होगा यहाँ पे. There will be root.
Yes, sir.
So what it will become? X will become s tan theta. So what it will become? X square. It will become s square tan square theta. S will come outside, right? And 1 plus tan square theta will become sec square theta.
Sec square
So that's
theta.
why it will become sec theta. This will cancel. And s will also cancel.
Yes, sir.
देखो कोई गलती तो नहीं है. S will also cancel. So my dv will become k lambda sec of theta and d theta. एक बार मैं मिला भी लूं expression. dv will become k lambda sec theta d theta. Very good. So what will be the potential? So potential V will be equal to, बोलो भाई, k lambda integral sec
Sec
theta and d theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now problem is that I just can't calculate this V for whole of the wire, because if I write minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integral, I will get infinity, right? Because the potential due to whole wire at this point will be infinity. Can you see that? ये बताओ भाई
Yes, sir.
सब भाई, छोटे चार्ज की वजह से पोटेंशियल, छोटे चार्ज की वजह से पोटेंशियल, स्मॉल चार्ज पोटेंशियल, स्मॉल चार्ज पोटेंशियल, so all will be added like a number and it will become infinity because the length is infinite. Are you getting my point? So that's why we can only calculate the difference, that यहां से यहां कितना अंतर है, ये मैंने कहा. ये वैसी ही बात हो गई जैसे भाई तुम ये कहो कि यहां से लेके और एज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स तो बहुत बड़ी डिस्टेंस हो गई, राइट? तो अगर हम रेफरेंस एज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स को कर दें तो ये पॉइंट तो बहुत दूर है, बट अगर मैं एक कदम चलूं तो मेरा पहला डिस्टेंस एज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स और दूसरा डिस्टेंस एज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स में डिस्टेंस कितनी आ जाएगी? दैट वन स्टेप, बिकॉज रेस्ट विल बी कैंसिल्ड. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और नॉट? So this
Yes, sir.
work done at point P and work done at point P dash का difference निकाल रहे हो. You are not calculating the actual work. So this v, I don't want to integrate from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That you have to take care. I will just calculate the difference between 2 points. So I will have to integrate and then get back to this this s thing, right? So बताओ जरा क्या होगा? V will become k lambda
सर log
log of sec
x plus
theta
10x.
log sec theta
plus tan theta, right? And let
plus
me,
c.
huh? No, I will write a definite integral so that it will not become plus c. Okay? ठीक है ना? So
Okay,
I will be calculating the difference between some s and s naught. Don't worry. So now come back to original thing. Sec theta tan theta में वापस आ जाओ. So what is that triangle? जल्दी जल्दी ये मैथमेटिक्स करो तो ये काफी अच्छी आपकी इट गिव्स लॉट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे कैलकुलस काम करता है, कैसे चीजें वर्क करती. सो व्हाट विल इट बिकम? बताओ भाई. सेक थीटा क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी सेक थीटा?
root x square
सेक थीटा विल बी
root x square plus x square
base upon hypotenuse, so it will be r, which is root of
Divided by
x square plus x square by x.
Yes, sir.
And tan
Yes.
theta?
yes.
s by
Yes होगा सर.
x by
सर
s.
वो x की जगह s आएगा सर.
x by
S.
Sec theta में yes आएगा सर.
सर sec theta में x की जगह s आएगा.
oh sorry s, right? So लिख लो इसको. So v will become k lambda and ln and what will be sec theta root of x square plus s square by s and plus tan theta x by s. So this is the potential, and still limit is needed, right? Limit is needed. So now what I will do, I will come from minus a to a. पहले finite का निकाल लेते हैं, ठीक है? Okay? Minus a to a. So x की value. Now I can put limit in x, na? Everything is in x. So I will
Yes,
come
sir.
from minus a to a. देखो इसमें कोई आपत्ति तो नहीं है आपको? Tell me. So what will v become? It will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda ln, and put the upper limit minus lower limit. So it will become root of a square plus s square by s and plus a by s log of this, and sorry ये bracket लगाना चाहिए था, minus these brackets are not needed, only log के लिए one bracket is needed, right? Log of this and minus log of minus a, so it will become root of a square plus s square by s, and this will become minus a by s. Check it. So log a minus log b. Your high school knowledge क्या suggest करती है?
आगे भाई.
V is equal to so this is potential at point P, right? Because of this finite length only. Because of this finite length. Is that okay? So this will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught lambda. अब अगर ये मैथमेटिक्स हैंडल कर सकते हो तो एग्जाम में भी चीजों को हैंडल कर सकते हो. सो a minus b is what? a by b? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Log a minus log b is what? Log a by b. So it will become log and a by b लिखो जरा, root of a square plus s square plus a by s and over root of a square plus s square minus a. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
अब एक बार यहां तक बताओ, कोई गलती तो नहीं है? देयर इज नो मिस्टेक.
No, sir.
So this is v at some point s. Now what is v at some point s naught? बोलो.
Sir, S naught से replace
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda ln, tell me, root of a square plus s naught square plus a by root of a square plus s naught square minus a. Is this okay? So you have a point P, which is s distance, and you have a point, say P dash here, which is how much distance? S naught distance. So you are calculating Vs minus Vs naught. So get the value of Vs minus Vs naught. Can I erase all this now? Because iska kaam khatam ho gaya. Okay. So
Yes.
now we want potential difference between 2 points. We got it. But abhi length kitni hai? What is the length? Finite.
infinite.
Finite. अभी तो length
Yes, sir. Sir, rod की sir.
Rod की length finite है. So what is Vs minus Vs naught? Now this is the question. So tell me what it will be. It will be lambda over 4 pi epsilon naught. Again log a minus log b. So it will become log a by b. Yes or no? So log root of a square plus s square plus a over root of a square plus s square minus a, and into root of a square plus s naught square plus a by root of a square plus s naught square minus a. देखो जरा सही लिखा है मैंने? Just using your
Sir, माइनस किया है ना सर? तो माइनस वाला साइन ऊपर चला जाएगा मेरे ख्याल से S naught वाले टर्म में.
सर माइनस वाला पॉइंट पर.
एक मिनट, a divided by b ना, तो मैंने क्या किया?
यस सर.
ये वाला चीज मैं ऊपर लिख रहा हूं
सर
एंड ये वाला
Yes, sir.
नीचे. Okay, a minus
Yes,
b.
sir.
So this will be this divided by this. So that means this multiplied by inverse of this. सब लोग को समझ आया या नहीं? भाई log of a by b minus log of c
Yes.
by d क्या होगा? It will be log of a by b into d by c. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is your
Yes, sir.
this is your class 9th formula, I think. Okay?
Yes, sir.
अब देख लो, ये आ गया आंसर. अगर तुम दो पॉइंट्स के बीच का पोटेंशियल निकालना चाहते हो तो दिस इज योर आंसर. बट आपका सोच कुछ और आगे है. क्या है आगे? टेल.
Sir,
Yes.
infinite wire.
No, somebody was saying something. No. Okay. So this is for finite wire, the potential difference. We got it. Finite wire of length, how much?
From minus a to plus a, 2a.
So 2a length. 2a length. And this is the point P. And this is the point P dash. And I got VP minus VP dash. This I got, right? This problem I solved. Now what I will do, I will take a very, very large and I will make it infinite. Because I have mathematical skills. I can do that. Yes or no? So what I want now, I want a very, very large. So can you see that S by A will become very, very small? Yes.
Yes.
If I take S by A, it will become very, very small if A is very, very large. So I want S by A in these terms so that they will become very, even S naught by A will be also very, very small. Yes or no? Because S and S naught are close. Okay.
Yes.
In comparison to A, because A I want to make infinite. पहले सभी लोग बताओ भाई, are you understanding this or not? अब ऐसे approximation आपको you have to apply in each and every topics. 4 pi epsilon naught log of, please see. Now I want S by A term. So what I will do? A square common. So A common. So it will become what? Root of 1 plus S square by A square plus 1 over here root of 1 plus S square by A square minus 1. And here root of 1 plus S square by A square minus 1. Here root of 1 plus S naught square by A plus 1. इसमें if anybody has any problem, please tell me. Intentions are absolutely clear. Now I want S by A very, very small. What I can do? Tell me. Yes?
Sir, put S by A square as 0.
Here?
There as well, sir.
No. I told you that day when it is in denominator and it is in root, you can't do that.
We will make a binomial expansion.
So lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught log of, this will become, you see, if you do the binomial expansion, let us do it for everything because it is in root na. So 1 plus half S square by A square plus 2 plus 1. I have neglected other terms. Okay. Denominator 1 plus half S square by A square. I have neglected other terms. Okay. भाई सबको समझ आ रहा है या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
all right sir
1 plus
Yes, sir.
half S naught square by A square minus 1. Higher terms neglected. And 1 plus half S naught square by A square plus 1 and other higher terms neglected. Now you see this 1 and this is gone and this 1 and this is gone. And half 1 by 2A square, 1 by 2A square gone, right? This becomes 0. This becomes 0. This is 2 and 2 cancelled out. So what will remain?
सर ये कैसे कर दिया
मैंने
सर?
कहीं गलती कर
सर
दी.
1 1 भी था है
Wait. 1 and 1 is 2 na?
यस सर
Wait.
सर यहाँ पे ऐसे मान सकते हैं सर S और S नॉट बहुत करीब है
एक मिनट. Wait. हाँ ठीक तो है. It is okay ना?
यस सर
So 2 and 2 तो cancel ही हो जाएगा. I have done it. I think.
लेकिन सर 1 + 1 2 and 2 + हाफ और वहाँ नॉट
अरे
भी है
भाई
सर
wait करो.
जब अगर
Lambda by
हाँ,
4 pi epsilon naught ln. क्या बच गया बस वो लिख दो. Here it is S naught square and here it is S square. Right? 2 I can take outside. So it will become 2 lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught S naught by S. This is the answer.
सर
अब बोलो.
सर ये जो ये ऊपर है S² / A² जो 1 + हाफ S² / A² + 1 मुझे नीचे कैसे कटा सर
भाई
क्योंकि दोनों अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज है ना सर
एक
सर
मिनट
ये
वेट
लॉग के सर ऊपर वाली ये सर ए टर्म और ये डी टर्म जो है सर
वेट
S upon A is less than 1 now, sir. That is why we are neglecting it.
हाँ देखो इधर, यहाँ पे 2 प्लस दिस क्वांटिटी है ना, हाँ
यस सर
यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है,
यस सर
2 plus this quantity, and s by a is very small, so suppose it is 2 plus 10 to the power minus 6, so can I write it as 2?
ओके सर
Yes, sir.
But here 1 is
Okay.
gone, so you can't neglect this.
ओके
If
सर
1 and minus 1 is gone, so this will remain na.
ओके सर ओके
Okay,
आई कैन
so this is the potential difference between 2 points, please see. And the mathematics which has come on the way will be helpful in many ways. It is just like running before a cricket match. So if any doubt, please ask any of the doubts.
Log is also there. Sir.
Huh? Log.
Log is also
Log there. Yes. Log was there. Okay. 2 मैंने common लेके आगे ले लिया because log x to the power n is n log x. Okay. यहाँ पे log of x to the power n क्या हो जाता है? n log x. So that's why I taken 2 outside. Is this okay? So this is for your infinite. अब जरा इसको 2 लाइन में कर देते हैं जितनी मैथमेटिक्स हुई है. पहले बताओ इसमें आप ये समझ आ गया सबको?
यस सर
Okay. So can I erase this?
यस सर
यस सर
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Sorry. So what are the mathematics that I have used? Number 1. बताते जाओ भाई. What are the
सर कैलकुलस
calculus, trigonometry,
यस सर
log,
Binomial expansion.
binomial, approximation.
यस सर
Can you see the beauty of the question?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
So these questions are discussed not to be done in exam like this, but some small part will be used in one step. That this is there, can I approximate it? Okay. So now I can erase.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Okay. अब देखो जरा, इसको 2 लाइन में करता हूं. Now I have a charge density lambda. यही तो था. I had a charge density lambda. And what is field at this any point at distance r? What is field? Field is
lambda upon
K
lambda over
2 pi epsilon naught r
2 pi epsilon naught r. Is this correct?
R.
Everybody can calculate using Gauss theorem. Cylindrical Gaussian surface. So I want potential coming from point, yes, s naught position vector
To
to s position vector, lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r dr.
2 pi epsilon.
Sorry,
2 pi
2
epsilon.
pi epsilon naught
2 pi epsilon naught. So I should keep 4 here and 2 here. Okay, we should not disturb this 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Okay, so 2 lambda over 4 pi epsilon naught and minus sign, and this will become log of r and lower limit s naught, upper limit s. So it will become minus 2 lambda over 4 pi epsilon naught. Yes, log of s minus log of s naught. So it will become 2 lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught log of S naught by S. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
sir.
समझ आ गया? So sometimes Coulomb's law is suicidal. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why, but we should do it as an exercise. Like I did spherical shell. If you remember, I took so many coordinates. And why I did that? Because we should become slowly and slowly comfortable with trigonometry and these things. Okay.
Yes,
So खेल से पहले की जो रनिंग है वो इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कहीं आप बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेच कर जाओ तो ऐसा ना हो कि मसल पुल करके सीधा इंडिया वापस भेज दिया जाए. आर यू गेटिंग इट? कि भाई अगर
Yes,
एक
sir.
बार गलती से स्ट्रेच भी करना पड़ा तो इट्स ओके, तुम्हारी बॉडी वार्म है, यू नो you have done all the stretching. So इस type के questions are just like that. You should do tough questions, but not close to the exam. Before, many days before, just like a warm up, because you learn so many things from these questions. Okay? Yes. So let us stop here. Okay? And I gave you questions from Griffith, but only few people replied. Were you not able to do it, everybody?
सर वो 17 क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ था,
हाँ।
वो क्या ये कोऑर्डिनेट लेने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हुई थी। फिर
अच्छा।
जब अदर का देखा तो सिलेंड्रिकल था, तब थोड़ा सा किया।
17th क्या था क्वेश्चन?
सर वो
Question number 217.
स्लाइड थी डी थिकनेस की सर, जिसमें सिग्मा उसमें था सर, रो वो थे सर, डेंसिटी ऑफ चार्ज थी सर।
एक सेकंड
सर 18 वाला भी बता दीजिए।
एक सेकंड मैं एक सेकंड आता हूँ। अच्छा, कुछ लोगों का भाई सोल्यूशन बुरा मत मानना, मुझे देख के ऐसा लगा कि कहीं से आपने टेप दिया है, तो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट। नेचुरली जब आप सॉल्व करते हो तो साफ पता चलता है, उसकी बात ही अलग होती है। 17 ना?
यस सर।
ओके 17 ये था कि तुम्हारे पास एक थिक इस तरीके का शीट है, थिक शीट। ओके बिफोर
Yes, sir.
आपके पास थिन शीट थी, so there was no dimension in this side. Now you have this side. Okay, so what you will do is तुम बस एक साइड का ड्रॉ करो, अपोजिट साइड के बारे में मत सोचो, that will come naturally. Suppose this is the point and charge is present here and charge is present here. बताओ कौन सी चार्ज डेंसिटी होगी? सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी, वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी, what type of that?
सर वॉल्यूम चार्ज
Volume charge density, obviously, na? It will be rho.
यस सर।
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
you just, because after this, suppose you want to calculate here or here, first of all decide. So let us calculate here. Okay. Right. So we will just draw a small cylindrical surface that will be coming like this. Okay. Because this is very large in that dimension. You can take pillbox or cylinder, whatever you want. So is this okay? This surface is touching this side and this is coming from this point P. And at point P, the field will be in this direction and dA vector will be also in this direction. Both will be in this direction. So apply Gauss law. It will be E dot dA is equal to Q enclosed over epsilon naught. So first of all, tell me E into what will be the area, capital A?
यस सर।
Yes, it will be capital A that will be coming out of it. And why
Yes, sir.
this part will not be considered? Because this will be at the point where you are calculating. So uski field jo hai wo perpendicular ho jayegi. So are you getting it? The flux through that will not be considered. So E into A will be how much charge will be enclosed? So rho into cross section into y over epsilon naught. What is the volume of cylinder? It is area of cross section into height. Yes or no? So I have taken this height as h. Okay. and this will give you the field as rho y by epsilon naught. कितनी आ रही है? Rho y by epsilon naught. And if you consider this distance as y cap, the field will be in y cap direction. And obviously this is 0, so you are y greater than 0. बोलो भाई. So right now you are inside because this thickness is what? How much thickness is given? Total thickness. Suppose the thickness is d. So the y is 2d. The y is less than d. Are you getting it? This field is at some y which is less than d. And if you go opposite side, the same thing will happen. I mean, this y is less than d, but greater than. You are right to the origin. Okay. But if you are left, then what will happen? On the left, you will have rho y by epsilon naught, and you will keep it minus y cap. This will be the. Okay. Bolo bhai. Field for this will be in this direction and field at here will be in this direction. Okay. And if you come out of it, please understand. Suppose I take a point here. Okay. Then what will be the field if the point is here? Anybody? So what will happen if you are here? You will draw a Gaussian surface, right? So what will be the field then? Outside the sheet, somewhere here, somewhere at this point. Yes.
Rho d by epsilon naught.
So please understand, this side it will be E into A, but right side, because your cylinder is here, but charge is only this much. Yes or no? So it will be only rho into A into D by epsilon naught. A and A will cancel, so it will be rho d by epsilon naught when you are outside, when your y is greater than d. So the meaning is, suppose this is the origin. When you are coming out, the field is directly proportional to y, but once you cross this distance d, it becomes constant. Yes or no? And similarly, in opposite direction, if I take minus y, then it will be like this. So this is how field goes. Is that okay? So understanding is clear or not? Gauss theorem. So the second point is very important, that even if you come outside, suppose you take this as your Gaussian surface, तो चार्ज तो भाई इतने में ही है, या चार्ज के लिए पूरा वॉल्यूम ले लोगे? बताओ
सर उतने में ही है.
चार्ज तो उतने में ही है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इसकी हाइट हम d ही लेंगे, सो दैट्स व्हाई फील्ड बिकम्स कांस्टेंट आउटसाइड. क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what next?
Sir, 18th one. Two spheres.
टू स्फीयर्स हैं, और क्या है?
Sir, overlap कर रहे हैं.
हाँ. So two spheres are there. They are overlapping like this. What next? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. One is having a charge density.
Yes, sir.
So you have to take a point P in the overlap, na? please read the question.
Two spheres, each of radius r.
हाँ, each of radius
Yes,
r
and carrying uniform charge densities plus rho and minus rho.
minus rho. Very good.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And we have to
They are placed partially overlap.
partially overlap कर दिया. Okay.
Yes, sir. Call the vector from the negative center to the positive center is S.
Is
S.
S.
Yes, sir. S vector.
S vector. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Show that the field in the region of overlap is constant.
Okay. So let us take this as P point. Huh? So we have to calculate
Yes, sir.
field due to this sphere at this point and field due to this sphere, and we have to take the vector sum, obviously. Yes or no? So first of all,
Yes, sir.
field due to plus rho. This is अभी सॉलिड स्फीयर की वजह से फील्ड आपको पता है रो आर by
Yes,
3
sir.
epsilon
By
naught.
3 epsilon naught.
So this will be the vector, right? This will be the r plus vector, which will be outside the center. So this will be r plus vector. And E minus rho will be this vector r minus, bolo, r minus vector.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Minus rho by r.
And this will be minus rho r minus vector over
By
3 epsilon naught.
naught.
Right? Now we have to add both because of the net field superposition. So it will be rho by 3 epsilon naught and r
सर ये
plus
माइनस क्यों लगेगा सर?
because of
सर
हाँ
सर चार्ज तो नेगेटिव है ना सर?
sorry
चार्ज तो सर नेगेटिव है ना सर? तो फील्ड तो इनसाइड होगी सर.
तो भाई मैंने
सर,
तो
R नेगेटिव पे फील्ड है inside.
मैंने तो पोजीशन वेक्टर को आउटसाइड बना लिया है. ठीक है.
वो तो ठीक है सर, लेकिन सर यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के आगे भी माइनस लगाया ना सर आपने?
कहाँ पे माइनस लगा? ये
यस सर.
तो वो तो रो की वैल्यू है, जो वैल्यू दी गई वो लिख दिया मैंने.
ओके सर.
Whatever value is given, I have written it. Yes or no?
ओके सर.
भाई
ओके सर.
field is rho r by 3 epsilon naught. If rho is positive, I will write positive. If rho is negative, I will write negative. And this r plus is the position vector to that. Okay. So in this case, this is the center.
Okay,
This
right.
is the position vector. In this case, this is the center. This is the position vector. Right? So it will
Okay,
become
sir.
r plus minus r minus. Okay. Right? Now r plus r minus are related to s. Let us apply something. Tail to head. देखो tail to head यहां से लगाना पड़ेगा. So let us apply. It is from negative to positive ना, पक्का है? So s
Yes.
plus r plus is equal to r minus. Yes or no? Tail to head
Yes.
head is equal to tail to head. So r plus minus r minus is equal to
minus s vector.
minus s vector. So this is given from minus to plus. In my book, it is given from plus to minus.
प्लस टू माइनस ही होगा मेरी बुक में.
नहीं
भी
नहीं,
है.
ये तो कुछ भी दिया जा सकता है. Whatever is given उसके हिसाब से हमें लिखना पड़ेगा.
ओके.
भाई ये किसने बोला है? एस
सर मैंने.
आपने ग्रिफिथ देख के बोला है?
यस सर. यस सर.
अच्छा भाई ठीक है, फिर ये हो जाएगा. देखो मेरी ग्रिफिथ में क्या लिखा हुआ है कि दिस
एडिशन में ऐसी है सर.
कोई बात नहीं.
सर ये
No.
जो आप बता रहे हैं.
सर मेरे पास सेकंड एडिशन है.
नो इश्यूज. सेकंड एडिशन? अरे बहुत
यस
पुरानी.
सर.
मेरी कौन सी एडिशन है? एक मिनट. थर्ड एडिशन. ओके.
थर्ड एडिशन में सर बदल गया है.
नो इश्यूज भाई. जब ये दिया है तो इसके हिसाब से लिख देता हूँ. हाउ डज इट मैटर? सो आर प्लस minus r minus will become rho minus s vector over 3 epsilon naught. And now this is constant because this distance is constant, na? So the field is not depending on
Yes, sir.
the position vectors. So this is the answer. And for new addition people, this is given equal to D from plus
Okay.
to minus. So when you will write this, it will become, यहाँ पे D आ जाएगा सीधा, ठीक है ना?
हाँ sir.
So it will become directly rho D vector by 3 epsilon. देखो triangle law का कैसे use हो रहा है. अब this is the understanding of triangle law.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
अब a plus b से triangle law नहीं समझ आता जब तक कि आप before you apply to such problems, then only you will be able to understand. Okay. Any doubt? Now it is clear, bhai? Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes
Chalo.
sir.
Sir, I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes sir.
next homework, only one problem I want to give as a homework, and please note down. There is a shell like this, and this part has charge density 1 by r square. Okay. Some a by 1 by r square. This part is a hollow. This is a, this is b, the radius. And I want to know if I come from point this, what will be the potential difference? So calculate potential difference VB minus VA.
Is solid sphere.
This is hollow.
Okay.
This is solid. Okay. This is the question. And try this question, everybody. सब लोग अच्छे से try करना. एक ही question से सारे concept clear हो जाते हैं अगर clear करना चाहो तो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
And what is the reference potential?
Sir, 0.
Finite.
Infinity,
Finite is
0.
which is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will calculate VB, you will calculate VA. Okay. Infinity से यहाँ आने में, infinity से यहाँ आने में. तो क्या होगा? बहुत ध्यान से क्या चीज देखना पड़ेगा इसमें? Hint. When you will start from infinity, first of all, you will come to B, right? Here,
Yes.
the field profile is suppose some E1. So you will use E1. Then from B to A, here profile will be some E2. And from A, so infinity to B. And when you want to come to infinity to A, then what will happen? Two profiles will be used, na? Dekho.
Yes, sir.
When you want to come to B, only infinity to B will be used, right? Because you want to come to this point. When you want to come to A, so infinity to B and B to A will be used. So two different profiles of the field will be used. That is the only point which I want to mention. Is this okay? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay sir. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.